Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We are at another abandoned mill, as you can see. I don't know the name of this place. There's not much information about it online. And I'm not sure I'm totally allowed to be in here. I didn't see any workers on the first floor. If I did, I would have asked them if they would let me explore. But I'm gonna see how much of the place I can film. I'm not gonna go over to that side of the building much because there is one person working over there. But yeah. Sure, I started the video so late after me walking into the building, you know. But ooh, shit. They haven't cleaned up this area at all. And my hope is there's no one in here. And I'm totally alone in here. And that there's no worms, but I'm probably wrong. So what's in here? Oh. Oh shit. The door opens. Oh, it's a bathroom. Huh? And down here, as you can see, this place has a basement. And they've tried to block the basement. Oh well. That's probably why they tried to block the basement. So I'm not going to use this staircase. I'm going to go back around and use a staircase at the other side of the mill. But hopefully I don't get arrested or caught. And yeah, there's some doors here, and right next door the mill buildings, the other mill buildings next door have been converted to apartments. So not exploring those. This is probably the only building I'm exploring today. Oh, look at that. Westinghouse. Neat. Okay. I don't see any cameras in here, but there is an electrical cord. I should probably keep watching the roof for cameras. Actually, I should probably get out of here right now. But I came all this way, so I'm gonna explore it. At least what I can. And we got what looks to be a newer electrical box here. I'd guess they put that in pretty recently, considering it's hooked up still. It's a vehicle in here. what is this room? Another bathroom? Yep. I'm hoping that the upper floors will not have as much building materials scattered around. And I'm sorry if you can't hear me too well, there's a river running right between these buildings. Is there a room back there? Looks like another sort of circuit box. Ooh, staircase just moved. Okay. Here we are on floor 2. Oh shit, there's people in the building next door. I never thought of that. You know, this place is also pretty empty. So let's go through this place still. See what we got here. There's icicles hanging from the ceiling. Oh, shit. You know, it might be a good idea if I just get out of here before the police come, so. Glad I could give you guys a sneak peek. I'll finish up showing you guys this floor, of course, since, you know, we're already up here. And then I will head down and out. Oh, there's an elevator right there. Oh, and that's a cool looking staircase. Okay. But that area looks all pretty empty and not the safest of floors, so this has been Gavin Johnson from GB Explorers, and sorry for no floor explorations lately. I just can't find a good building, but I'm gonna try and find one for you guys next time. Alright, see ya.